He's what? Is George Monkey in the sling?
With a hairband on.
You got a hairband on, and you got George Monkey in a sling. Hey, George Monkey, your baby?
No.
He's not your baby? He's your monkey? And you have him in a sling, huh? Aww. Is he gonna sleep?
No.
He's not sleepy?
No, he's not.
He's not sleepy? Does he want to play? He wants to play with you? Can you show me your new bed? With all of with everything in the mattress and everything? Well, go in your room and show me. Go in your room and show me your new bed. What just came today when we got home from church? What came in the big truck?
The big old bed.
What part of the big girl bed? Because we made the big girl bed yesterday, you and Daddy. What else came in the truck? Was it the mattress? Was it the big mattress? And did Daddy and Maisie put the sheets on and the pillow and the blanket and everything? Mm-hmm. That's your new big girl bed, huh? It's pretty cool.
I was see.
You see George Monkey in the sling?